Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cash depository safes on the market, the Templeton Safe Standard Depository Drop Slot Safe. If you're looking for a secure way to store cash and valuables in your business or office, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's start with the basics. The Templeton Safe's Depository Safe comes equipped with a digital combination lock, allowing up to 6 different user codes. This feature is fantastic for offices or small businesses where multiple people need access, giving each their own secure entry method. The safe is built tough, using thick alloy steel with a triple bolt action locking mechanism and an anti-phishing deposit drawer. This ensures it's not only secure against theft but also tampering, providing peace of mind for your valuable assets. In terms of design, the safe sports a sleek, textured black finish that blends well in any office or retail environment. It's not just about looks though. The construction is robust and built to last, featuring hardened steel that's designed to withstand prolonged use and potential attacks. Moving on to capacity, this model offers 1.12 cubic feet of space. It's perfect for storing large bills, cash deposit folders, small valuables, and more. The drop slot feature allows for quick deposits without needing full access to the safe, which is ideal for end-of-shift cash handling. If you're concerned about support, Templeton Safes backs this product with a US-based technical support team and offers a 30-day easy return policy. This ensures that your investment is protected and supported, should you encounter any issues. To sum it up, the Templeton Safe's Standard Depository Drop Slot Safe is an excellent choice if you're in need of a reliable cash depository solution for your business. Its combination of robust security features, user-friendly design, and ample storage space make it a standout option in its category. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and secure.